somehow managed to make it down. We can't stop him.
On September 27th, 2023, a passenger denied boarding re-entered the jet bridge and physically contacted a gate agent. He was arrested for battery and resisting an officer with violence.
Excuse me, get out of the way, please.
Yes. Thank you.
Yo, let's go.
Great.
Him? Let's go. Come with me. Let's go. What are you doing? What are you doing? Let's go.
I'm doing nothing.
Get off the bridge. Let's go. You don't listen to people? Is that your problem? Come on, let's go.
Look,
keep walking.
Look, wait.
Listen.
Wait.
We get to the end, we
Wait.
talk, all right?
Okay.
Let's go.
Can I talk?
No, you walk at the end. Walk now, we talk later. What's you got a problem listening to people? Keep going, keep walking, let's go. They tell you you're not flying, you're not flying.
Why not?
Yeah,
They are
they're right. Come on, keep going.
They are racist.
Okay, well
They are
that's with
racist.
them.
They are racist. And I am
Come on,
wrong.
keep walking.
I'm wrong.
Keep walking.
They are racist. And I'm wrong.
If they tell you you're not flying, you're not flying. So you have to listen to them. How about that?
I'm
Let's
listening
go.
you.
Keep walking.
I'm listening to the cops. I'm listening to you, the police.
Well, you gotta listen to them too.
No, I don't have to listen to
Yeah,
them.
you do.
Because they
Yeah,
are
you
racist.
do, buddy. Come on, let's go.
Come on, man. Don't worry. Please. Move. No violence, all right?
Listen.
Don't make us be violent.
If they're telling you not to go on the plane, why don't you listen to them if they tell you that?
It's not up to you. It's up to them.
So they are racist and I'm wrong.
You're gonna sit over here and we're gonna have a nice long chat. That's what's gonna happen. Come sit over here. You have your ID?
What's wrong, sir?
Listen to you. You got
What's
your license?
wrong, sir?
You got your license?
Yes, true. I was.
Okay,
I was
he just asked for your license.
So it's really necessary?
Yes.
They tell you you're not flying. You're not
It means
flying.
you're not going to fly.
I'll tell you, huh?
I don't know what happened between him and her.
He's telling me. He's screaming me.
Whatever the situation
I'll tell you,
was between him
her.
and
What
her.
you gonna do?
I was over here
That's what
at
happened.
gate 82. He came over there screaming,
Why are you?
screaming for no reason. I had no idea what happened.
I was
The captain was here at the gate. The captain heard him screaming, threatening, and the captain said he doesn't want him on the flight. So we boarded the flight. We told him, "You're not allowed. We can't let you on the flight."
supposed to go at 82.
No, he was supposed to go here, but I was working at 82.
Okay.
So the captain heard him screaming at me and screaming at him, and the captain said he doesn't want him on the flight.
She's telling me I discriminate her.
Just relax.
I have been
I didn't say
discriminated.
you discriminated me.
What? I discriminate to you?
Why are you being so loud?
I have been
Why
discriminated,
are you
man.
being so loud?
We're
not deaf.
I'm completely.
We're trying to help you. We're trying to help them.
When you
Sir,
fly,
if you want to help me, I need to take this plane.
You're not going to get on that plane. You're not flying on that
Why?
plane.
and
You're just
honestly,
not.
after this, they're
So
probably
you
not going to
are-
let you
You're
fly
not
at
going to
all.
fly on a plane.
you're not
They told
having-
you no. No means no.
That's the rule.
No means no.
Sir,
They run the
I
show.
passed through the security.
It doesn't matter.
I did anything. I did nothing
It
wrong.
doesn't matter.
Right?
It's
I
the
did
airline.
nothing
If they
wrong.
want to tell you not to fly, they can say it. It's their right.
No means no. Where's your ID at?
I need a translator, sir.
I'm sorry?
I need a translator.
Okay, a translator?
Yeah.
Licencia, por favor.
I need
You
to-
speak Spanish?
I need a translator, please.
You speak Spanish?
I can't talk with translation. With a lawyer.
You're hilarious. You listen to yourself.
What you telling to
something
me?
else, man.
They discriminate me.
No, they told you no, you're not going to fly. That
So
means
why they
no?
tell? Why
They
I
don't
can't
have
fly?
to have a reason.
They
That's a
don't-
private.
they don't need
It's a
a
private
reason?
company. No,
No,
it's
they don't
they can tell you anybody they
this
want.
is a kind of discrimination.
Well, I'm not here for that.
It's
I'm here because they
discrimination.
told you no,
If
and
you
you
say no,
I'm
it's
here because they
discrimination.
told you no, and no means no. Do you understand? No means no. It doesn't mean maybe. It doesn't mean it's up to you, because it's not up to you. It's not up to you. It's a private business. They said no. That means no.
You have
That's
your
what it
license.
means.
Your license.
I'm going to get a
Boarding
translator
pass.
over here. I'm going to
You
get a
have a boarding
translator over
pass?
here,
What
okay?
about boarding pass?
Licencia, por favor. If he asks you that, we're gonna have a problem.
I don't have a
Oh, I'm gonna have a problem. I'm gonna tell you. Yeah.
Hey.
Nothing.
It's pretty bad for you right now, and
You're
you're
being
making
ridiculous.
it worse. It's bad for you now, and you're making
Why
it
are
worse.
you so rude?
I'm not rude to you. I asked you a
You're
question. Give me your
ridiculous.
license.
What I am?
You're like a
boarding
2-year-old
pass?
kid.
You have your boarding pass?
Why am I?
I don't know why.
License or boarding pass?
Need a translator and I need.
Translator's not gonna help you.
So what happened?
The passenger originally came up to me after I was still working in Philadelphia. We were delayed 4.5 hours and I was trying to get him out of here. He came up to me, approached me here, and started yelling at me immediately that he was demanding I help him immediately. And I said, hey man, I'll try to help you, but I gotta see my Philadelphia passengers off first. And once I said that, he started screaming at me, saying, I demand help right now. And then I told him, you need to respect me, you need to be quiet, and once I'm done with this fight, I'll come help you. I had to walk away from him at that point. Came back up here, he wasn't available to me, but I got called by my colleague that he had approached her, screaming at her, and with his camera recording her. And then I went to go meet a plane, and he ran up to me to take a video or photo of me. I asked him not to, and he said, sir, if you keep this up, we're gonna have to not allow you to fly with American Airlines. And then during the initial boarding, I stood behind my boarding agent to monitor and tell him I wanted him to step to the side. So I said, sir, and he stepped to the side, you're not going to be able to fly with us today. And he persisted to try to scan his boarding pass, so I put my hand on the scanner, and I tried to turn it to the side, and then he tried to have passengers come around him. He was still, when I did that, I physically got hit on my hand because he was trying to access the scanner with my hand over it. He never did scan his boarding pass, but then he just went on down. And at that point, I figured I should get ahead of him and shut my secure door. And when I went to lock the door and I tried to shut the door, he ran through my arm, and I'm still kind of feeling the numbness in my fingers. So he actually physically hit me.
Do you want to press charges? You want to press charges for battery?
I think I do.
Okay, we can do that.
Under 49 U.S.C. Section 44,902, the captain holds absolute authority to deny boarding for safety or order. That decision is final. It is not negotiable at the gate. The racial discrimination claim invokes Title 642, U.S.C. Section 2000D, a legitimate civil remedy, but a civil wrong does not authorize a criminal response. Physical entry onto a restricted jet bridge after explicit denial satisfies Terry v. Ohio reasonable articulable suspicion. The detention was lawful. The arrest, once battery was confirmed, was valid. Under common law, battery offensive contact through an object counts. The gate agent's hand was struck at the scanner. The charge is facially supported. The ground takedown followed active non-compliance during handcuffing. Under Graham v. Connor, 1989 force is judged by objective reasonableness at the moment of the decision, not in hindsight. It holds.
I don't know why this.
You have a clear problem with listening.
I'm on vacation.
You have a very clear problem with listening.
I'm on vacation.
Okay, so what?
I'm not here to get a problem.
Well, you already are a problem, clearly. Why am I here talking to you? Let me see your boarding pass or your license.
I'm waiting there.
You can wait all you want. It's not going to change anything.
You're making this a
You're
lot
like a 2-year-old.
worse and a lot harder than you have
You're
to.
like a 2-year-old. 2-year-old baby.
Why are you still telling me this?
Because you're acting like a baby.
I'm not like a baby. What is it?
You think you're going to just walk onto the plane after they told you no. That's like a 2-year-old.
Why did we
They
tell
said
can,
no.
They can say whatever they
say
want.
no.
I say them. Call the cops.
No means
because
no.
I need to get out.
You're
No,
not.
you're not going on the plane.
You're not flying
You
today,
missed that
man.
flight.
Okay, thank you very much.
No, not thank you very
You're
much.
done.
Thank you.
You're
Everybody
welcome.
saw.
You're welcome. We're here to help you.
Everybody saw what.
We're here to help you.
So he's going to go for battery. He hit him
Oh,
trying
okay.
to get down to the gate.
Perfect.
So,
All right, stand up, put your hands behind your back.
What?
You're being arrested for battery. Stand up and put your hands behind your back.
What happened, sir?
You're being arrested for battery.
What happened, sir?
Let's take this off.
Okay.
Yeah, let's take it off. Let's take it off.
Put your hand behind your back.
Let's take this back.
Don't put your hand behind your back.
Take it off real quick.
Your hand behind your back. That's all you got to do.
I got it. I got this.
I got your phone.
I She's broken my arm.
Not yet.
Put your hand behind your back.
I'll put this.
Okay, stop.
Okay, I just want to take
Okay,
my.
this is what's going to happen.
my,
You're going to
my
go to the
back.
ground.
I
Is
just
that
want
what
to.
you
I don't know. I just put it here. All right?
You have to put
Sorry,
your hand
I got
behind your back.
I got it. You're not
Okay,
listening.
okay.
No, it's not okay.
Okay, what do you want?
Hands behind your back.
I'm in the ground, man. Sure.
Put your hand
Put
behind
your
your
hand
back.
behind your
Stop
back.
resisting
Yeah.
and put your hand behind your back.
Okay, sir.
Okay, I got it.
Okay, sir. Help me! 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 Help me!
We're okay.
Help me!
We're okay.
Help me!
We're okay.
Oh, man, what are you doing, man? I'm on vacation, man. What are you doing, man?
You have a very hard time.
Okay. I'm releasing you, man.
Got it?
I ask you for no violence. Alright? Wait, it's too tight. It's too tight. It's too tight. Help me!
Yeah, this one's gonna be tough.
Somebody help me! It's too tight.
Okay,
Too
relax.
tight.
Stop yelling.
Ah!
Move your hands.
Ah! Ah! It's too tight. Ah!
Wait a minute, I can fix it.
Stop
Hold still.
moving.
Help me!
Still.
Oh!
You see, you gotta get.
Camera is going. It's
You don't lock
catching
it?
everything, man.
No.
Camera is catching everything. What are you doing, man?
I'm trying to
I'm
fix
not
it.
one of violence, right? I ask you for a lawyer. I ask you for a lawyer. Just that.
Stop yelling.
I ask you for a lawyer.
Stop
I
yelling.
can't fix it while you're
Why are
yelling.
you doing this, sir?
I can't get to it.
We should
Oh,
stand
it's,
them up.
it's
really.
too,
You wanna
it's
stand
too
up?
tight, man. What are you doing? It's too
There
tight.
you go.
Ah!
It's good. It's good. Now you gonna stand up or what? Stop yelling.
Ah! Help me!
You're getting arrested, man. Stop making it a big deal.
Why am I arrested, man? Why am I arrested? I did
double
nothing,
lock
man.
it.
You are this guy. You look like television. You are like television. Can I get my phone and put in my bag, please?
No.
Just that.
No.
Just that's what I'm asking for.
Sure, you need to stop resisting. You're still
I'm
resisting.
not resisting,
Oh, yes,
man.
you are.
I said no violence. I
Yes, you
just
are.
want to take my phone and put in my bag, please, sir.
Walk that way.
What are you doing? My bag, my
being
bag.
searched.
I've been research all the time here. What's it? Put my phone in the bag, please. I will lost it. So you are the officer. Why you did that?
You're not listening. You're having a very hard time listening.
But I'm not listening, sir. I'm listening all the time.
You resisted the entire time.
I don't resist. I just
now you
want
gotta
to take
resist
it
with
the
violence
phone
now.
and put it in the
See my hand?
bag.
That's from you.
Walk that way.
Hey, sir.
Stop yelling. Stop.
What did you
Grow
say
up.
to hurt them?
Come on.
You really are.
Who's my victim?
I'll be right back. Hold up, baby.
Do the job of the society, man.
At 10:37, the subject said, "I asking for a lawyer." That is a clear Miranda invocation under the Sixth Amendment. All questioning must stop immediately. The officer responded, "You don't get to ask us questions if you asked for a lawyer." Legally imprecise. Miranda bars officer questioning, not the subject from speaking. No Miranda advisement was captured on camera prior to custodial questioning. The subject was in custody from the moment of restraint. That is a reversible procedural error. Officer B sound de-escalation, lawful arrest, undermined by absent Miranda advisement and imprecise post-invocation conduct. Passenger C+, a valid civil grievance converted into criminal liability by physical escalation at the gate. Invoking counsel at 10:37 was the one correct legal decision. 3 takeaways. A civil wrong requires a civil remedy, not a confrontation. In custody, invoke counsel and stop talking. Officers must advise Miranda at the point of custodial arrest, not after.
All you were gonna do is get rebooked, and you made it completely worse.
They get what they want. Just that.
No, then no one wanted this, buddy.
I told you could go on, and you thought you could just get right on it. That's what's really dumb.
I say,
That's so
I say,
dumb.
call the cop.
It's like a
Just
2-year-old.
I say, just call the
You don't call
cop.
the shots.
The
You don't
cop.
call- Thank you.
Yeah,
They're the
I
boss.
told them.
They're the
My man,
boss.
they could tell anyone not to fly. They could tell me if they don't want me to fly, all right?
You just don't get it.
I just would like to know what they tell you guys.
You don't get to ask us questions if you ask for a lawyer. You're done.
Because
Okay? Because you're done.
so severe attitude.
Just one person? Sarge? Just one person? Okay.
Okay, you can. I don't go anywhere, man. Okay, you can let me.
You don't
It's
like it?
unnecessary. I don't go anywhere.
You resisted up until 2
I
seconds
don't
ago.
resist, sir.
I'm sure you did.
Well, of course not. The camera
You know what no means? No means no.
The camera says
No means
everything.
Oh, it's all on here. Absolutely.
Yes,
You're
sir.
right.
I did resist.
When did you go to court?
When he said,
No
come
more questions.
on,
You
come on
asked
out.
for
I
Buddy,
get
I say put
get
your
out.
hands behind your back. It doesn't mean you start reaching for stuff
Yeah.
when you say put your hands behind your back. Is that what that means? Does that
Yes,
mean
sir.
you start reaching
I
for
was
stuff?
just trying
It
to.
was fine.
To put
You
the
didn't have
phone
to do it, all right?
on my bag. Just that. I just want to know what I may have been accused. Just that.
You touched him.
Lady, could you tell me what I done?
Battery.
Battery?
Battery.
Battery. What is it?
Means you touched somebody that you shouldn't have.
I touched somebody?
Yes, sir.
So I didn't,
I mean,
right? And the camera will
Yeah,
show
I mean-
it.
Yes, sir.
I can go with you and do the ECRA. I need info. That's all. So I don't know how you want to do it.
So I should watch what you're doing. You are messing my things, and I
mind your business.
not in my presence. Not in my presence.
Want to go on the other side?
You
of
should
there?
mess my things in my
there's
presence.
somebody on the other
The
side.
camera is
They're moving right now.
filming. All right.
Everything's
all
on
video.
camera. Everything's
all
on
video.
camera. Look, his camera
you
is
need
on,
to,
buddy.
You need to mess my things in my presence.
I don't have
You don't need to.
Come on.
You don't.
Everything's recorded.
This just with a warning. You have a warning. You have a warning.
I don't need one. You're arrested.
Okay, you don't need.
All right, we're going the other side. We're going in the car. All right.
Okay.
Everything's recorded, my friend. Everything.
I'm a
The
friend.
whole encounter.
I will weigh you all the time.
My man,
Could
you're
you take it off
No, we're not taking it off. You have to ride with
in
it.
the front?
Nope. You wanna go the other side and put this on?
Yeah. No.
If you need to get with Jake, you should have the victim's information.
You want me to go with Garrett for the transport? Yeah. All right. I'll call him if anything.
You're taking like.
So you got battery and you got resistant violence.
Yeah.
So he resisted
Yeah.
from the second we tried to put handcuffs
Is there
on.
any type of charge for going on the jet bridge when you shouldn't? No.
It's not like a trespass.
It's
kind of.
I figured that. All right.
It's the battery and resisting.
Okay.
He was charged with battery and resisting an officer with violence. Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching.